Hey guys, I'm Frank. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Bangin Gears, the YouTube channel about everything automotive, from car shows, events, and cruises, to some do-it-yourself tutorials, which usually has to do with my GOPRO replica. But today we're going to install this American flag sticker on the slider of my Ford F-150. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step, so stick around. Even though we are putting the sticker on the back of my Ford F-150, they do make this sticker for every make and model truck out there. They even make it for a couple of cars, and they have different variations on the sticker itself. So if you're interested, what I'll do is I'll put the link to their Amazon store in the description below. You can go there and find the one that you like best and the one that fits your make and model truck. But let's just get right to the unpackaging, really, I guess you can call it. So this is a pretty simple unboxing here, where you're just going to get the sticker, the instructions, and a squeegee. If you don't have one of these, I would save these. These are good for a ton of different applications. So I have like 4 or 5 of these. You might have seen me use one. I had a yellow one when I did my installation of the WeatherTech mud flaps. I'll put a link for that video somewhere on here as well. But I would always save these. They're always good to have. Always. So you get the instructions, and then you get the sticker itself. The sticker has paper on both sides. There's a protective sticker on the front. You'll peel off when it's all done, and then you have the actual 3M sticker cover on the back, and that's everything you get in the package. So it's a pretty simple install. I realize this is an installation about a sticker, but you'd be surprised how many people put stickers on cars wrong or trucks wrong. It's more than just slapping a sticker on the window. There's some prep that a lot of people don't do. There's a technique of how to do it without getting bubbles in it, what to do if you do get a bubble in it. And then I want to show you this little trick I know with painter's tape, because the slider on the window is going to go right up against the edge. So you have to make sure it's on perfectly straight. But let's go install it on the truck. It's a beautiful day. Let's go install. So here's everything you're going to need. You need some regular glass cleaner with a regular microfiber rag. You're going to use that across the whole window, and that's just going to get any of the heavy stuff, mud, dirt, grime, stuff off the window. Then you're going to go over the slider itself with some isopropyl alcohol to get any grease or fingerprints. And for that, I'm going to use an E-cloth. An E-cloth is a microfiber rag that's really dense and tight with the microfibers, that is specific for glass and mirrors. Don't ever use it on your paint. You'll really screw it up. So if you're interested in any of these or don't have any of these, they're good for any workshop, really, or even around the house. And my wife uses it actually for mirrors in the bathroom and in the bedroom and things like that. But if you're interested, I'll leave the link for this in the description below with the flag. And I may or may not use some painter's tape to create a hinge. We'll see how it goes. But other than that, let's get to the installation. Okay, so like I said, just gonna clean the window with the regular cleaner, just to get all the heavy stuff off. While I'm here, I'm going to do the whole thing, but just because it needs it. You're going to use some isopropyl alcohol, also on the regular microfiber rag, not on the E-cloth. Okay? And we're just going to put a little bit on there. Just to thoroughly clean and degrease everything. The trick about the E-cloth is you could use just a little bit of water, but for the most part, you do it dry. A little bit of water. Like I said, I'm just going to use the remnants of what's on there from the alcohol, and it comes out great. Try to make sure you have everything off, all the lint, stuff like that, because you don't want any air bubbles. Make sure you get up really in the corners. The flag itself is going to fit perfectly in here. And you can see where it does. It fits perfect. I'm going to use the painter's tape to create a hinge. I want to be able to peel half off at a time. So I'm going to make a hinge on this part right here. And just put the painter's tape half on the sticker and half off. And then I'm going to put that exactly where I want it. And then use the tape to make a hinge. Just like so. And now I can just peel half the sticker off. Like so. And then I could take the squeegee and just start squeegeeing it on. And you do it easy. And you don't go over the crust, you don't go swiping across the whole thing. Do a little bit at a time. Make sure you get all the air bubbles out. And you just move along as you go. Okay, now this side is used as the hinge. Let's put this on the ground, it's too windy. So you don't need any more painter's tape. So we can undo this. And now we can peel this side, same way, a little bit at a time, and then use a squeegee to squeegee it out. And just take simple and easy as you go. Okay. Now what you can do is you can take the corner and you can just slowly peel it off. Go over it, make sure you have no air bubbles in there. And just like that, you got yourself an American flag sticker in the back of your truck. Why? America, that's why. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Again, the link for this product, if you're interested, is in the description below. Find one that fits your make and model truck. And we'll catch you next time on Bangin' Gears.